Welcome to our tutorial. This topic is about ecosystem, website, and customer journey. So, let me share you here kung ano yung checklist na kailangan yung malaman. So, if you are going to assist any business, dapat alam nyo yung customer journey. Dapat alam nyo yung pagdadaanan ng customer niya. So, let me show you kung ano yung naging customer journey ng aking audience. This is going to be your customer journey kasi mga bumili kayo ng products or services from me. So, this is brand marketing, okay? And ang customer journey laging nagsisimula sa cold traffic, alright, hanggang sa raving fans, no? So, kapag ka sinabi nating customer journey, meron niyang tatlong stages. Una, prospect, tapos customer, tapos raving fans, okay? And ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung magiging journey ng isang customer ng Work at Home Geek. Okay? So, first, nakanood siya ng live session o kaya naman may nakita siyang post. No? Tapos, pinanood niya yung mga ibang videos ko. Tapos, binasa niya yung mga comments. Tapos, nagustuhan niya, nag-react siya, nag-comment siya, tapos, nag-join siya ng mga Facebook group. No? So, ganun yung naging process ng mga hindi nakakilala sa akin tapos kilala na ako ngayon. Right? So, ang gusto natin is maging lead sila o maging customer sila. So, dito, ang ginangyari is nag-take siya ng freelancer assessment. Yun yung aking lead capture system. Kailangan natin ng information ni client, whether email address or Facebook profile or phone number, basta dapat meron tayong nakukuhang information sa kanila so that we can get back to them. Alright? And ang freelancer assessment ay ginagamit ko para mangyari yung indoctrination or yung nurturing, lead nurturing. Kasi binibigyan ko sila ng access sa members-only site at sa Telegram group chat. No? So, dito sa Telegram group chat, makikita nila yung ano yung itsura kapag nasa loob ka ng community, ano yung mga tutorials na meron, kung may mga questions, doon magtatanong. So, nangyayari yung indoctrination. Pwedeng sa live session pa lang bumili na sila, 'di ba? Pero dito, kasi ang marketing, meron daw tinatawag na 7 touches. So, yung 7 touches, yun yung pagdadaanan ni customer bago siya bumili. At yung process para mapabili mo sila is what we call indoctrination. Then, sales conversion strategy ko ay ang aking quality training, ang community, at yung galing ko sa storytelling. So, hindi sapat na meron lang tayong lead capture system kasi kahit marami kang email address, no, maraming nag-register, pero hindi naman sila napapabili para maniwala sa iyo, hindi ka din magkakaroon ng sales. So iba-iba ang conversion strategy, no? But this is my conversion strategy. And some people or some businesses stop here kapag nagkaroon na ng benta tapos na. But businesses na nag-thrive hanggang matagal na panahon is they provide world-class experience and customer lifetime value, and dahil inaalagaan nila yung mga customers nila, nagkakaroon silang ng maraming referrals, right? Kaya nalulugi yung mga businesses, nagsasara sila because they do not nurture at hindi nila kino-convert yung customers nila to raving fans. So that what makes a business different from other businesses na nagiging successful talaga sila because from customer they make them raving fans. So world-class experience, what I do is I build my personal brand. I build certifications. I also do a lot of personal development trainings. Of course, yung faith kasi yan ang pinaka-foundation natin. And that is how I make sure na laging ang experience nyo dito is world-class. Ibig sabihin, hindi paulit-ulit, hindi stagnant, hindi photocopy or alam mo yun, nakuha lang sa internet. But instead, merong galing, merong knowledge, merong talagang success stories na nangyayari sa loob because of the professionalism na binibigay ko at ng mga nandito sa community. Next is how I increase customer lifetime value. I provide genuine community and up-to-date knowledge training. So, aside from, giving world-class experience, kailangan ng pangmatagalan. Kailangan yung matatagal na hindi sila umaalis, hindi ka nila nakakalimutan. So, I do that by providing genuine community and up-to-date knowledge training. Hindi mga delata at hindi yung mga training na information lang, yung walang application. And hindi nila ma-explain kung paano ma-replicate yung tinuro nila para magkaroon din kayo ng success. So, knowledge training and up-to-date training and genuine community is how I increase customer value and how I orchestrate or stimulate referrals. Ito ay sa pamamagitan ng mga community members. Okay? So, ito yung nagiging customer journey ni swag member or ng swag customer natin. Ngayon, as an admin or someone na magi-intern, ito yung checklist ko for you. Kailangan alam mo yung itsura ng mga resources na kung saan ituturo mo si potential prospect. So, pakita ko sa inyo, ito yung ecosystem. Meron akong Facebook profile. Of course, I do post there from time to time. Pero, ang most activities ko ay sa Facebook page at saka sa group. At meron akong chatbot, yung messaging system at website. So, if you are supporting a business, kailangan naiintindihan mo kung ano yung mga touch points. So, nakikita nyo yung mga bilog, those are touch points. Ito, meron lang tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pero pwedeng magkaroon ng 11 interactions, right? So, understanding ecosystem is very important. I had a thorough discussion of this, so you can go back to it. But kung gusto nyong masupport ako ng maayos as an intern, then you should have this checklist and alam nyo kung ano yung value ng bawat isa na to. So that when you create content or makaisip kayo ng mga strategies on how to grow the page, then makikita nyo na kailangan alam nyo yung mga dapat nyong sabihin, dapat nyong i-promote na unique value proposition ng mga products and services na ino-offer ko. Okay? So, that's about it.